What's up guys, welcome to this brand new lecture. In this lecture I'm going to show you how to install Python the right way. It means you will not need any additional steps to install or configure for Python in Windows 11. So let's get started. I need to open my browser. I'm using Chrome. Let's open Chrome. You can open whatever browser you have or you prefer. So you need to search for download Python. Then you need to click on the first link, which is python.org, and then you need to click on this button here. It says download Python 3.12. So this button is fetching your OS info. This will always based on your OS. If you click right here, it will automatically download the Python for Windows. If you have Mac and you opening this website, it will give you setup for Mac OS. So I'm using Windows, so this should give me the Python for Windows, or I can do it explicit way like clicking on the Windows. So I'm clicking on this button. So the download is started. The download will take a couple seconds or couple minutes depending on your internet speed. Now click on the setup. So you click on the setup right here, or you can go to your file explorer, then go to download folder and run the setup from over there. So the setup is open and the installation wizard is here. So right here I will tell you to select these two options. So this will add the Python to your path variable, so you don't have to do it implicit like after installation. So click on install now. The installation will take some minutes depending on your PC specs. So mine is really high end, so it should not take too long. Setup was successful, so installation is done. Just click on close. So right now you need to confirm the installation. Just go and open your terminal. So in Windows 11 we have the terminal. So to confirm the version of the Python, so right here you need to write down Python dash version. So you can see like the Python is already installed and it shows the version. It means like we have installed the Python successfully. And right now if you write down Python, it will take you to the built-in playground for writing Python code. So it means the Python path variable is already exported to environmental variables. So after this you don't need to install any additional dependencies for running the Python or exporting any environmental variables. So I'm writing down simple Python statement. So as you can see, it's printing hello world on the console. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.